good morning, and welcome to Paradise Nation Originals. You drinking your tea? You say good morning.
Good morning.
See the sunrise? The sun is shining.
Put it on the sun.
Allura feeling pretty. See? That's the sun shining. Sun is coming up.
Yeah. And the castle comment we go down there and you say we don't do it. Yep.
Hey,
And you say that
what you wanna do today?
go at the river.
On the river today? Again?
Yeah. No, I didn't go to the river again.
Come on, there we go.
Yeah. But I want to go. But I want to. Thursday.
Yeah, Friday.
But I bet okay. I want it Friday.
You want to do today?
Yeah. Don't say it early.
No, I say early.
Daddy,
Hmm?
I want to be one doctor.
You want to be a doctor? Dr. Allura? Dr. Garden? That's not sound bad. Eh?
Police daddy.
No, you're not gonna be in police.
No, I said police daddy.
Oh, me being a police? No.
Yeah? Yeah? You be one police.
I only be police in movies.
I want to be one doctor for we.
You want to be one doctor for real?
Yeah?
Alright.
What can I look for?
Cut the yard. Yard for cook.
Yeah, no, no, bro. Only feed them, yeah. Hagra. But my hagra, the other one.
The yellow one?
Yeah. And it need to cut off.
Love you.
I love you. What tiny kid.
Listen.
Hey.
Alright. So yeah, good morning once more.
Yeah. That messy
Supposed to start a new movie in a day, so I'm not sure
Daddy.
what yet. Huh? Yeah.
Tomorrow we get my new one.
A new one.
Movie.
A new movie? Alright, yeah. So we'll shoot a new movie today.
Tomorrow.
You coming night?
Yeah.
You gonna play your role night?
Yeah.
So introduce yourself to the people as an actress, Allura.
The sun is coming up. And the moon gone. And the clock gone.
You still see clothes and come.
What's it in there?
Yeah. Over baby clothes.
Yeah. Yeah, and them, what them are grew. Them are grew.
Am I going?
Grew.
Girl?
Yeah.
Later on, it's them get big.
I'm gonna go get big.
The clothes, them all get no fuck. Listen.
Ow. I'm inside.
Come inside.
I got my chair. My chair. They have tree.
Mm-hmm.
Tree. They got that one too.
Oops. Alright, so yeah, so now we see what I go on during the day. So that was just a little good morning. With me and Alora. We are live today. It's Daddy and Alora Day today at the river. Right, Alora?
Yeah, Daddy.
Right. So we are at the river today. We are currently at Roaring River in right, and we are under the bridge here in Roaring River.
Yeah, I'm fine.
It's very crystal clear water, crystal clear. As you can see, it's cold, but it's crystal clear. Right? Sit down, sit down, sit down. Right? Sit down. So you don't move, right? So you can just stand right here and let the fish eat your feet.
No.
Right. You let the fish eat your feet.
No.
Oh.
Wash your hair. Wash.
Watch Daddy here. Watch Daddy here. When is your birthday, Alora? How much? How much of September?
15.
The 16th of September is your birthday?
Yeah.
Outside the father. What do you think now, man, father? Go outside, man. Yeah? September?
Yeah.
So what you want to do for your birthday?
Cake and
You want a cake?
iPod.
You want the iPod?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Want the iPod for your birthday? Mm-hmm.
No, you're not here.
Pull up another here. So, let it pull out here. No? Me never say who wake me up. Alright, ready? Come on. Let's go swim. Wait. Alright.
Swim.
Swim! 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 You're swimming! Swim! 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 Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. All right, and right here there's no crocodile right all here.
I'm jumping underwater.
Relax.
Don't catch me. Don't catch me.
I catch you?
Yeah.
All right.
Now can we go down that hole now? In the water.
You want to go up out into the water?
Eh?
You want to go up out into the water?
No one. Let's swim in the water.
Stand up here, sir. Stand up.
You know? You know to swim?
Mm-hmm.
You want me?
You want to see? You want to see me swim? Yeah, no problem. Oh, it's raining. Come on. Come on my back. Come up on my back. Yeah, stand up. I'll go up to the car. Let me go get. I'm going back into the water.
I told you.
Stand up.
I told you that it's raining.
Yeah, you said it was gonna rain, right?
Yeah, I told you. When it's morning, we got rebut again.
Tomorrow morning, the garb again.
Yeah. Because you say sit when so early and you make it round.